Hello, welcome to Lola's Tasty Kitchen. I am super delighted to be bringing you this Zobo or Zobolo recipe, as my Ghanaian friends would call it. This recipe is so healthy and perfect for this COVID period. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button below. And if you find this video helpful, please like. Now let's talk about the health benefit of the ingredients. Hibiscus or Zobo flower may help lower blood fat level. It could promote weight loss and help lower blood pressure. Pineapple is a good source of vitamin C, which is an immune booster. Ginger is effective against the RSV virus, a common cause of respiratory infection. Black pepper improves blood sugar control. Garlic helps prevent common illnesses like the flu. Chili pepper or dry pepper is an immune booster. Orange is a good source of vitamin C, which is an immune booster. We'll be blending our spices except for the cinnamon. Now we'll be washing our zobo leaves under running water. Don't wash your leaves in a bowl of water, else you'll be wasting the juice. That's why it's better to wash under running water. That way you're removing the dust and avoiding wastage. We will be sieving the blended spices, at the same time rinsing it with water to get out as much juice as possible. I boiled the strained spices to get out more juice. I am going to be straining it now. I repeated this process 4 times, but you can just pour hot water over it instead of boiling. I'll be adding some water to this, then we'll boil for 12 to 15 minutes. Our zobo is ready. I'll be leaving this zobo for 24 hours for the taste to come out well, but you can leave yours overnight. It's okay. It's been 24 hours. See how intense it looks. I tell you, it's absolutely delicious. The flavor is just out of this world. I'll be showing you 3 delicious ways I mix my zobo. I tell you, it's absolutely crazy. And please don't judge me. This is vanilla flavored zobo. Trust me, you need to try this. Vodka Vanilla and Zobo. Trust me, you need to try this. You can take this a step further by adding some lemon juice. And wow, whoa. This is not for the faint-hearted though. Rum and Zobo. This is the father of them all. And my favorite. Try all of this my combo and let me know your favorite. Lest I forget, I did not throw away my Zobo leaves. I'll be using them later. For if you want to know what I'll be using them for, please watch out for my next video. There are so many ways, there are so many things you can do with your Zobo leaves. So please stop throwing them away. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.